Hello everyone, welcome to Science with Sailesh. In this video, we are going to see why softwares are needed for civil engineers, architects, what softwares are used by civil engineers and architects, where to learn the softwares, and a bonus tip. Why software is needed for engineers and architects? Drawings are the language of engineers. An engineer can think of so many designs in mind, but to convey that to be constructed at site and to present their ideas to the clients, drawings and images are needed. In olden days, drawings are drafted with hands. It took so much long time to draw, and complex drawings are not that easy to draw. Secondly, think of the calculations. You guys know how much time it will take to solve a structural analysis problem. Then think of big buildings frame. Without computers, those complex problems are not possible to calculate at all. To overcome all the above issues, softwares are introduced. What softwares are used by civil engineers and architects? There are different domains of civil engineering, namely transportation engineering, environmental engineering, ocean engineering, etc. In this video, only the softwares used in building construction are explained below. The software requirements drastically change depends on the need of the different division of the engineers. That is, structural engineers will use one, project managers need another one, architects need another one. Despite of all, the basic software is AutoCAD, which is used for all drafting needs. And for structural design, StatPro, ETABS, SAFE, and RCDC are used. And for project planning and management, MS Project and Primavera are used. For architectural modeling, SketchUp is used. And for exterior and interior rendering, 3ds Max is used. And for BIM, that is Building Information Modeling, Revit, Navisworks, Tekla structures are usually used. In addition to that, MS Excel are also used for calculations. These are not the only softwares available in the market. There are so many, but these are the popularly used ones. Where to learn these softwares? There are so many resources on YouTube and many learning platforms like Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, etc. You can learn from them. If you want to learn physically in a classroom setup, learn from a professional who works on the softwares in real time. Don't learn from people who only know the software and doesn't have working experience. They can't teach you the real essence of the software. And finally, the bonus tip. Softwares are just tools to give output. The correct inputs you give, correct outputs you get. So just know all the concepts to apply correctly on the software to get the correct output. Learning so much software alone doesn't make you a professional. You should know where and when to apply. Thanks for watching. If you find it useful and for more videos like this, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Science with Sailesh. Don't forget to click the bell icon.